Hey, welcome back to Intermediate Algebra. Your second video for today is really the same as the first one. It's multiplying binomials intro, only they don't build the generic rectangle for you. You just kind of have to build your own here or figure out how to do this. So let's get started here. First step is when we have x plus 5 and x plus 3, is we want to build our generic rectangle. So we have our x plus 3 and our x plus 5 right here. Multiply them through, x times x is x squared, 3 times x is 3x, x times 5 is 5x, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, if we put those together, we have an x squared, these two equal 8x plus 15, and there's our answer right there. Hey, there is a little faster way, in case any of you are interested. You don't need to do this way. This generic rectangle works every time, and you're all welcome to do it that way. However, if you do like a little faster way, x times x is x squared. 5 times x and 3 times x is 5x and 3x, which equals 8x, and then 5 times 3 is 15. I just basically did this same thing right here without building the rectangle. So if you can see it, you can do it faster. Okay, let's try another one here. All right, this one here, we've got x minus 2 and x minus 6. So let's build our generic rectangle for those that need it. We've got the x minus 2, the x minus 6. Notice I put the minus right next to the number instead of in the middle. I put it right next to it. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 6 is negative 6. Oh, that's wrong. That should say negative 6x right there, which means I bet I did this wrong. Yep, that should say negative 2x right there. So let's add that so I don't screw that up real quick. There we go. We can add x's in there. There should be an x right there, and there should be an x right there. And then this one should equal a positive 12 right there. When I add these together, x squared is, then I've got the two negatives, so it's a negative 8x and a 12, and there's our answer right there. Again, x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x, x times negative 6 is negative 6x. Add those two together, I get negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. Good luck, guys. We'll see you over at Hangouts. Bye-bye.